Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Dina Ano, and in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of my ring light. I already opened it though when I was in the store because they were trying to show me how it works. This is how the ring light looks like. I got it here in Abuja from Ustin 7070 and his name is on it. Ustin 7070 is a company that is in Abuja. He makes ring lights, he sells cameras, anything concerning video production and all of that. He's your #1 plug. He's in Abuja. His store is in Banex Plaza. So let me open it. Like I said, I already opened it in the store when I was trying to get it. When you open it, the first thing you get out of this is this. It comes in this very cute, small, portable carrier bag. I had an 18 inches ring light, and I actually got my 18 inches ring light from this same store. And the stand, I didn't buy a stand this time because I already had the stand. I can use this with that stand. But then after buying it, my joy was cut short because it was too big, and the kind of person I am, I move around all the time. I am always on the move, so having something that huge and traveling with it, either I'm traveling with it on the train, I'm traveling with it by road, I couldn't even travel with it by air because the stress was just too much. I'm worried about it not getting broken, and so that was why I had to go and buy this portable one. So you can see how small it is. Like, I can actually just put it on like this as a handbag and I'm out of the house. Nobody's even going to know that I'm carrying a ring light. So let me take it out of the bag, and the bag feels, it's not the best quality, but at least it's good. It's gonna serve. The other one I got for 18 inches, the quality was superb, very strong. I've even used it to carry stuff aside ring light, and it carried both the ring light and every other, my laptop and stuff. So out of the pack, this is how it looks like. Very portable and small. I can't even go through my head. It's really small. Then you have the knob here to dim. Here is to dim, and here is to change the color from bright to dark. I'm gonna show you guys how it works once the power comes. There's no power right now. I'm using my window. And then here is the battery space where you can put two battery space. And another amazing thing I like about this is this. It has a USB port here where you can actually plug your phone, so you're not going to be suffering from, when you are filming videos and then you might need to now go and charge your phone. This makes it easy. All you do is to put your power cord here and then plug it to your phone, and once this is plugged to power, your phone can be charging as you are recording, like okay. And then this is to attach it to the stand. I really do not have the stand. I like how lightweight it is, like so easy, guys, so easy, and it can enter into my box even when I'm traveling. This is a lifesaver. Another thing that comes in this bag is the phone holder. You have about 4 spaces here where you can actually hang stuff. I can hang another phone holder here. I can fix in the mirror, anything I want to fix in. And then there's the point here, this screw here, where you can actually attach the phone holder, and here as well, depending on how you want to use it. This is the phone holder. Let me take it out of the, so it expands so it will accommodate any size of phone, and then you can attach it to the front here, or you can attach it here, and then it's adjustable so you can bend it even if you attach it here. See, like this. You can also adjust it to be like this and like this from here. This is rotatable, so you can adjust it and just play around with it anyhow you want it to be. And then lastly, you have the power cable. What I noticed with this is other ones that I've seen reviews on YouTube or everywhere used to have an adapter. This one doesn't have an adapter, it's just a normal cord. So even the ones that come with touch light or this rechargeable fan can actually power this thing on. So that's the only thing that is here in the bag. It didn't come with any other accessories like mirror and all that. I guess you have to buy it. So even here too, you can just fix the mirror and any other accessories that you might want to put into it. So yeah, so guys, I'm going to show you guys how it works. this is it. So I'm going to turn it on from the back. I don't have my stand with me, so you guys are just going to manage. See how bright it is. This is the white light, and I can actually adjust it from here. I can turn it, I can actually increase the brightness and also change the filter I want. So if you turn it right here, it's going to be yellow. See, it's going to be yellow, and if I want it to be white, I will turn it again here. I want it to be white, I'll turn it again here. It's white, yellow, white, and this is to dim and to increase the brightness. So I hope you guys, in case you are wondering what kind of ring light you can get that is cheap and you can get in Nigeria, this 7070 ring light I can recommend, because I've bought stuff. This is not the first thing I've bought from him. Most of the things I use for filming I got from him, aside my phone. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share and comment. Let me know in the comment section what type are you using, which one did you get, and you know, how has it been easy walking around with it. And I got this ring light for 15,000 naira. Initially he was doing a promo and it was just 13,500, but now it's going for 15,000 naira. So I would actually advise you to get it quick before the price doubles again or something like that. So till I come your way again next time, bye.